everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a baked salmon with a Mayo, Parmesan and Pecan crust. We're going to be serving with some roasted butternut squash and some pomegranate. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by peeling and halving a small butternut squash. Then, using a spoon, scoop and discard the seeds. Cut the butternut squash into 1-inch cubes or so. Then transfer to a baking tray. Chiffonade a few leaves of sage and sprinkle over the butternut squash. Then, halve and peel some red pearl onions. You can also use larger red onions and chop them into small pieces. If using pearl onions, also trim the root ends. Add the onions to the butternut squash and drizzle everything with some olive oil. Season with some salt and fresh ground black pepper. Then place it in a preheated oven at 415 Fahrenheit, 212 Celsius. While the butternut squash rolls, let's work on the salmon. First, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and drizzle with some olive oil. I'm using 3 portions of skin-off salmon. You can use skin-on portions or even use a whole fillet. When using skin-on salmon, place it with the skin side down. Season with salt and pepper. Then, spread a nice layer of mayonnaise over each portion. Add a layer of shredded Parmesan cheese. And then top it with some pecan pieces. You can also use walnuts or pistachios. Add the salmon to the oven. Time it. The butternut squash should take a total of 20 to 25 minutes to roast, while the salmon will bake in 8 to 10 minutes. So add the salmon right before the butternut squash is done. To serve it, add a layer of the butternut squash and onions, and top it with some pomegranate seeds. If not plating, just sprinkle some pomegranate seeds over the butternut squash when it comes out of the oven. Then, add a portion of the salmon. I also like to add some fried sage leaves for garnish. I have a video on how to easily fry herbs in the microwave. I'll add the link on the description below. This is a great tasting dish. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you for watching.